Hello, I'm Riddhi Verma. I learned and making this video during my industrial training in July 2020 at Pure CSS on the topic search engine optimization. So let's get started. I have made a PPT on this topic search engine optimization on page. So first of all, we will discuss about the content about the topics, what it includes. What is SEO? Need of SEO, search engine in market, search engine market share, SEO tools, SEO techniques and strategy, SERP, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion. So now, firstly we have to understand what is SEO. SEO is an acronym that stands for search engine optimization. It is the process of getting traffic from the free, organic, editorial or natural search results on the search engines. As you can see figure out how it works. Now we will discuss about why we need SEO. Need of SEO. SEO helps to ensure that a site is accessible to a search engine and improves the chances that the site will be found by the search engine. Second one is that it is the common practice for internet users to not click through pages and pages of search results. So, where a site ranks in a search is essential for directing more traffic towards the site. The higher a website naturally ranks in organic results of a search, the greater the chance that the site will be visited by the user. Now, we are going to discuss about search engine in market like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, Yandex. Now, what are the tools of SEO? SEMrush Rocks, free Firefox extensions, free web-based SEO tools, listings of additional SEO tools by category. And now I'm discussing about this topic, optimized page. This is the optimized page. How does it work? We have to look about this in brief, so you can thoroughly see it or expand it for getting or other information about this optimized page, how it works. SEO techniques. What are the techniques of SEO? How does it work? Audit your site framework, data search via end user value, create more optimized landing pages, make your site responsive and mobile friendly, double your infographic power, implement latent semantic indexing, spy and targeting competitors' live keywords. Now, what is the strategy of SEO? SEO strategy defines your latent semantic indexing, spy and targeting competitors' live keywords. Now, what is the strategy of SEO? SEO strategy defines your target audience and their interests, starting creating recommendations in YC, categorized keyword research, define competitors, prioritize and summarize. Must have SEO recommendations. All of these are the strategies of SEO. What is SERP? SERP stands for a search engine result page. Is the page displayed by a search engine in response to a query by a searcher. The main component of the SERP is the listing of results that are returned by the search engine in response to a keyword query. Although the page may also contain other results such as advertisements. Now, what are the advantages of SEO? Brand awareness, increased site usability, cost effectiveness, ROI, increased traffic. Now, what are the advantages of SEO? Getting noticed by more than your target audience, over success, black hats and white hats, costly. SEO ranking factor. We have to know about SEO ranking factor. There's something like pie chart in which 10% includes the code, 45% includes your content and 45% includes your links, like something like social links. Now last one is about that what is the conclusion of SEO. Search engine optimization is a hard and tedious job. It can take a large amount of your time. There are too many pieces of the puzzle that you need to piece together. I once read promoting a site that writers on the web are unlikely to link to is as deadly as creating a fantastic website no one will see. I think the writer said it all in this simple sentence: there is no use in making the best website in your niche when you are not promoting it. That's all. If you have any other queries, you can comment on it and ask thoroughly about what is the exact uses of SEO, and you can thoroughly search about other videos on this topic. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day.